That is a big whopper.
Yeah, that's big. That's just a big.
Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Getting out for a little springtime smallmouth bass action. We'll be fishing a local Lake Erie tributary stream. Every spring, thousands of bass run the tributaries and spawn. Not quite as big as the ones that spawn in the lake, the 6-7 pounders, but they're decent and they put up a nice fight. Mike and little Mike were supposed to join me today, but I got a call last night that Mike had a fever and he was kind of sick, so gonna be doing a solo trip. Work some jigs, plastics, some swim baits. See if we get some nice bass. Might even be a leftover steelhead, who knows? It's May 7th. Start out working a trout magnet type jig. There's a bite. Oh, that's I got that one. That's a nice one. Nice one. Nice fish. First fish in the morning, and it's a nice one. Using ultralight line because it's so clear. 4-pound test leader, so I could take it easy. Got ultralight. Solito rod. It's a bass. What I'm after. Well, I'm hoping for a late steelhead too, but I'll take anything. I'll even take a quillback or a sucker. Bass. All right, man. Got a bass. Jig, jig. Jig, jig. There's a fish. There's a fish. Oh, lost another one. There's one. There's one. I got one. What do I got here? Strong fish. Strong fish. What is that? Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. That's a nice one. Nice smallie. Oh yeah, look at him. Oh yeah. All right, come on. Look at that. That's a nice smallie. That's a nice one. Nice one. Another nice smallie. A little bigger than the first. All right. We'll see ya. There's one. There's a fish. There's a fish. Nice one. Come on up and jump. Come on up and jump. Come on. Another nice. Come on. Stay on. Another nice hefty smallmouth. Another smallmouth. Nice one. See ya. There's one. There's a bass. I got one. Oh, that's a good one. What is that? Is it a bass or a steelhead? I think I got a steelhead. Whoa. Yeah, it's kind of silvery to be a bass. That's a steelhead. Hey, look who showed up, man. Must be feeling a little better. What's up, Mike? What Grandpa's got? Grandpa's got a trout, a rainbow trout.
All right.
That's a big crab.
All right.
Whoop.
Whoa.
That's a good one.
Steelhead and olive marabou. Still a couple hanging around, maybe. Hey, there he goes. Ah, Mike's feeling better, huh?
Grandpa, what?
I'm watching. All right.
That's not good for him. And the cereal.
Mike.
You get any yet, Mike?
What?
Did you get any yet?
No.
Just missed one?
I'm trying to get the bag of fish.
Okay. Lift up. Wait, let me tighten this up just a little bit.
It's a hard fish. Don't know any gas.
What do you got?
I don't know if.
What you got, Mike?
You're doing good, bud.
I'm trying to.
Ooh. I think it's a bass. You got it. Lift. Keep the rod up. Keep the rod up. Keep the tip up. Keep the tip up like that. Keep it up higher. There you go. There you go.
Here you go.
I don't know what I got.
All right, now don't reel anymore. Just back up. Just pull the rod.
If you wanna.
Pull.
Oh, what do you got, Mike?
There you go. All right, that's it. You don't want to pull them all the way out.
All right, nice one, Mike. All right, you gotta turn them loose. Got that little ultralight. Bass are fun on ultralight.
Yeah.
Smaller one, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, a couple of nice big whoppers this morning. Before you guys got here. All right. Give it a shot.
Look at
There
the
you go.
size of that one.
All right.
All right,
Nice
nice
bass.
one.
Put your hand under his belly to hold him upside. All right, Mike. Nice one. Nice
Yeah.
bass. All right, let him go. Oh, he jumped.
When he's pulling, when you hear that noise, don't reel.
Teach him how. Yeah, when that drag's going, you stop reeling.
See, pull,
I think you got a big one, Mike.
you reel down.
I think you got a big one. Tighten up the drag just a hair. All right, let him finish it off. He knows what he's doing.
When he pulls, don't reel. When you hear it, turn it to him. When you hear that,
If he loses him, ain't no big deal. He's got some. That's a nice one. That's a big one, Mike.
I'm trying to
You
get
got him, dude. You got him.
all right, now just pull your rod sideways now.
Pull it sideways, Daddy. Will get in. Come on.
Sideways.
Just lift your head up there, like see it. What do you got? Oh, that's a big one. That's probably that's the biggest one you got so far. Look at the size of that.
All right.
Come over here, Mike.
Hey,
Look at that. Look at that beauty. Dude, that's a nice one.
Yeah.
That is a big whopper.
Yeah, that's a big. That's just a big.
That's your third one, huh?
Yeah.
That's the biggest one, man. That's a nice one.
Yeah.
All right, let's turn them
Right.
loose. Put them in. Ready?
Oh.
There he goes. Yeah. All right, man. Dude, high five, man.
That was a big one. That
All
was
right,
a whopper.
man.
That was a big whopper.
Come on, fishy. Oh, I just got popped. Popped it, let it go. What is that? No, I think it's a rubber lip trout. I think it's roll rubber lips. Thought it was a brown trout. All right, looky what I got. Old rubber lips. Old rubber lip trout. I got one. I got one, Mike. You want to let him go? You want to let him go? Got a little guy. Little bass. Little bass. Yeah, you can let him go in your little pond area. No, I already got you with a video holding him.
What?
I already got a video of you holding a big one. This is just a little one. Yeah, I already got you with holding the big one. The big one you caught.
Swim in the water.
Want to see? Want to see him? Want to see him?
Swim in the water, please.
Yeah. Oh, this one's got pretty marks on him. This one got prettier marks on him. This got some pretty markings on him. I got some pretty markings on him.
Can I see?
On a marabou. What do you think, Mike? Is that beautiful?
Yeah.
Some pretty marks on it, huh?
Yeah, Dad, come look. He's got pretty marks on him.
Let him go for Grandpa. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. There he goes. You having fun, Mike?
Yeah.
You got a big one, too.
Yeah.
Come on. Dad's got one fish, man. I think you're out fishing your dad today, huh?
Yeah.
Mike Jr.'s got 3 or 4. This is Mike's second chance to get one. Nice one. See? Oh, don't go too far in the water. Nice one, Mike. Don't lose them, man. You get 2 on the board.
Yeah.
Right now, you're just 1 away from a skunking. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Here, pick him up, make it, get a shot. Yeah, pick him up and get a shot. Higher.
She's got a good red mark on him.
Nice one. That's a pretty one. Not as pretty as the one I just let go. I'm like, that one had some nice marks on him, huh? Okay, ready? Mike, you do the honors letting him go.
All right, put him in the water for Dad.
Nice and easy.
Nice.
There he goes. You having a good time?
All right.
Yeah.
All right. No crop.
Is that my fishing bowl? Does it get a fish?
No crappie today. You like them crappies, huh? Crappie town?
Yeah.
Yeah. I would tell you, but my fishing pool doesn't get a fish on it.
Well,
Yeah.
you gotta work it harder. Oh, I just got popped. There's one. I got one. I got one. What I got? Is that a steelhead? Or is that another bonefish?
Fish on. What do you got? Another sucker?
You have one, Mike.
What? In the water, please.
You want to? Look at that. Look at that, Mike.
Can you put him in the water, please?
Yes, you can.
Look at the red tail on him. That's cool.
Pretty, huh? It's a bonefish.
Why do you got
Fresh
another
water
bonefish? Hurry!
He's getting me. Oh.
He's slamming you up.
Oh.
Give you a head thrash.
Oh, he's thumping me. Here, you want to throw him in?
Yeah.
All
Can you put him on
That's
this
it.
side?
Ready? Nice and easy.
You gotta squat down.
Squat down.
All right, give him a jump toss. Good job.
All right. Having fun?
Yeah.
We'll leave in a couple minutes. It's raining. Dad's got to get one more.
Bob.
You're not going to be stuck in the rain forever. Just a few minutes. There's one. Oh! All right, man. Time to call it. Got a couple hours in before the rain started. Didn't kill him today, but we got a few nice bass, man. I got some bonefish, a sucker, and a little steely. Did you have fun, Mike? You got a nice big bass, huh?
Yes.
All right, man. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Your hands are getting cold.
Yeah, time to get out here.
All right, we got a few hours in. Get out of here while the getting's good. You had a good time, huh, Mike? Huh? Going away. See you, everybody.